What if I told you that your leg strength could predict how long you live? It sounds shocking, but multiple studies have found a strong connection between weak legs and higher risk of early death in older adults. In fact, researchers discovered that people with lower muscle strength, especially in their legs, have a significantly higher risk of falls, loss of independence, and even mortality over time. And slowly, these small problems turn into bigger ones. Because weak legs don't just affect movement, they affect your entire life. You move less. You lose balance. Your risk of falling increases. Your independence starts slipping away. And this creates a dangerous cycle. The weaker your legs get, the less you move. And the less you move, the weaker you become. But here's the good news. This decline is not permanent. You can reverse it at any age. Even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your muscles can grow stronger again. And today, I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises that can increases. Your independence starts slipping away. And this creates a dangerous cycle. The weaker your legs get, the less you move. And the less you move, the weaker you become. But here's the good news. This decline is not permanent. You can reverse it at any age. Even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your muscles can grow stronger again. And today, I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises that can strengthen your legs, improve balance, help you walk confidently, and most importantly, help you stay independent longer. These are not complicated gym workouts. They are simple, safe, and backed by science. Let's start with the most important one. Exercise 1. Sit to stand, chair exercise. If there's one movement that defines independence, it's this: standing up from a chair. It sounds simple, but research shows that difficulty in standing up is one of the earliest signs of physical decline in older adults. In fact, doctors often use a basic test. How easily can someone stand up from a chair without using their hands? Because this single movement reflects leg strength, balance, coordination, core stability, and studies have found that people who struggle with this movement are at a much higher risk of falls, disability, hospitalization. So when you improve this movement, you're improving your life. This exercise targets the most important muscles in your lower body: quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, core muscles. These are the muscles responsible for standing, walking, climbing stairs, getting out of bed. Regularly practicing sit to stand can increase leg strength significantly, improve balance and coordination, reduce fall risk, restore independence in daily activities. It directly trains your body for real-life movement. This is not just exercise. This is life training. How to do it, step by step. Sit on a sturdy chair. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Place your feet shoulder-width apart. Lean slightly forward. Stand up slowly. Sit back down with control. Important tip: if needed, use your hands for support at first. Move slowly. Don't rush. Keep your back straight. Focus on control, not speed. Reps. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. Even 5 reps is okay if you're just starting. If you can improve just this one movement, you can dramatically improve your daily life. Exercise 2. Heel raises. Most falls don't happen because of big accidents. They happen because of small instability. And one of the biggest causes of instability is weak calf muscles. Your calves play a crucial role in balance, walking, standing stability. Research shows that reduced calf strength is directly linked to increased fall risk, slower walking speed, poor balance control. So if your calves are weak, your foundation is weak. This exercise mainly targets calf muscles, gastrocnemius and soleus, ankle stabilizers. These muscles control push off while walking, stability when standing, balance adjustments. Heel raises help improve balance, strengthen walking ability, reduce risk of falls, increase ankle stability. They also improve blood circulation in the lower legs. How to do it? Stand behind a chair, hold it for support, slowly lift your heels, stand on your toes, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, slowly lower back down. Important tips: don't rush, keep movement slow and controlled, hold support if needed, focus on balance. Reps: 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. Strong calves equals better balance. Better balance equals fewer falls. Exercise 3. Supported squats, mini squats. Squatting is one of the most powerful movements for the human body. But after 60, many people stop doing it completely. And that's where the problem begins, because squatting is essential for sitting, standing, picking things up, maintaining mobility. Research shows that reduced ability to squat is linked with lower mobility, higher risk of dependency, reduced muscle mass. This exercise targets quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, core, basically your entire lower body. Supported squats build full leg strength, improve mobility, increase joint stability, help with daily activities. They also improve coordination between muscles. How to do it? Stand while holding a chair or wall. Keep feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees slightly. Lower your body halfway, not too deep. Keep your back straight. Return to standing. Important tips: don't go too low. Keep knees aligned with toes. Use support if needed. Move slowly. Reps 8 to 10 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. This is one of the best exercises to rebuild total leg strength safely. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more simple health tips. Because small actions today can change your life tomorrow.